In front of me is Oukitel C33, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. Begin by accessing Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now yellow. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same tile again. If you want to, you can also access settings and scroll down to find display section. When you find it, click on it and scroll down. Then, by tapping on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen, turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!